Welcome to the new website for the Mountain Spoke. As you know, the Mountain Spoke is geared toward mountain bike enthusiasts, both regional around Bozeman, Montana, and worldwide. The new website has been set up so that it welcomes new visitors to the site, as well as prominently displays our contact information and calls out some of the key things that we want our visitors to do so they can register for the annual Continental Divide event. They can join one of our adventure tours or they can get a discount off a new bike purchase. By selecting on these different images, it will take them to the appropriate section of the website. They can also navigate through the site through our navigation bar here at the top. So let us go straight to the event section of the site. This here highlights the Cycle the Continental Divide. It is an annual event that we host every year. It gives a summary of what the event is about and a little bit about the trail that they will be going through. It is a 12-day trip, 9 days riding, 3 days just resting. Where they start, the cost, some things and requirements they'll do. There's a map of the route showing them kind of what they'll be bicycling as they bicycle over the rooftop or part of it of the United States, as well as a registration form conveniently here to the side, easy to find for them to fill out the information and submit. They can also go to the adventure tours. And so at the Mountain Spoke, we provide guided tours. We do 3 different types of tours to cater to just different levels or interests of people. These are good activities for both those who live in and around Bozeman as well as those who may be visiting. One is just a general adventure ride that will take them out into the mountains a little bit and do some different trails. One is an urban ride, and it will go do some more of the different trails in loop. It will also hit some of the different landmarks and positions around town, in addition to then some of the smaller trails closer to town. And then for those who want to embark on gravel and roadways, there's you bike it a little different, and so then we also have tours that take little adventure rides out on those different types of um, environments. So come join us for a tour. In the bicycle shop, you are able to then see a premier purchase of some of the different bikes that we offer and the details that are available. Um, and so we have 3 of our premium bikes being displayed here. And then inside the bicycle repairs or service that you may need to have done, we also then have a list of the different services that are provided. If you want to purchase a package, or there are some a la carte services repairs that we do, and you can just select which ones. All the prices are then prominently displayed. In the contact us page, you can then fill out a form and we will get back to you within 1 to 2 days, as well as showing again our contact information and a Google Map location of where our store location is. If you you can go into this and you can zoom in and out and actually click on it and view a larger map, see a roadside street view image if you want. And have that incorporated into the site. The in the footer down here is the resources page, which lists out the different resources that were used to build the site, as well as what information was used, and it links to each of those different resources, as well as a link to the video overview, which you are currently viewing. The site is also built so that it can be responsive to different size screens or devices that people may be using. And so I'm going to here just make my screen a little smaller and replicate a screen size if it were to be on a tablet. So a tablet screen would be very similar to a screen on a laptop or desktop computer. Um, the company name in the header starts to wrap. On the home page, it's very similar to what we saw before. There, in the bicycle shop, we're going to change the layout of how the details to allow for a potentially smaller screen and all the information to display. As you go to an even smaller screen size and we go to a mobile device, at that time, the company name then goes to 3 lines and the menu changes into a collapsible hamburger menu, and the form information then just falls in line to the bottom so they can just scroll down. On the home page, it will then still highlight the different registering and call out boxes that we wanted, but again, it falls underneath so that everything then scrolls in line. And that is our new weather site. If you have any questions, I look forward to hear from you. Thanks.